Hello, good evening. It's 10 p.m. We're in our barangay. Ayan, Barangay Amaya 1 here. They're doing something, then decorating this, what we call banderitas. There. We're gonna put it there on the street for a piece of Holy Rosary. Gonna be on October 6 and 7, so it's gonna be near the end of September, so they're so busy. I'm gonna take a look. Yan, the SK member, the beautiful and the gorgeous. busy oh. Grabe, ang taas. Walang kuryente yan. Nakakatakot naman yan. Baka may kuryente. Oo. Yan, busy os. Let's sambo.
Pasa mo na lang sa akin.
Ayan pa sila.
Ano tawag ang highway daw?
Aba, tropang highway na maglagay doon. Ano kami pa rin?
Ay, matapos na pala. Kanina pa.
Ito lang ko.
Ayan. Oh. There's a lot here. Oh. Every post they gonna connect that there. There. This is our place when it's night time. We're near a gasoline station also. Here. You see that? I'm gonna step there. It's my tita's house, and then that area is going to our house, so it's there. Gonna be fun on October 6th and 7. They're almost done. That's our barangay. Barangay Hall of Amaya 1. There you go, guys. They're so busy. There.